This is Steam Deck, the most powerful gaming handheld in the world. Steam Deck is a full-featured gaming PC that lets you bring the games you love wherever you go. Full-size thumbsticks, analog triggers, and user-assignable buttons allow for portable gaming without compromise. Steam Deck's multi-touch display, dual trackpads, and gyroscope bring the full power of PC gaming to your hands. Your Steam games are already on your deck. Just sign in and play. Go beyond the included game storage with a microSD card. You can even stream games from another PC. Deck runs a new version of Steam focused on handheld gaming, with features you'd expect, like cloud saves, Steam Chat, and more. Steam Deck. Powerful, portable PC gaming. Reserve yours now.